Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to block a Gmail account or emails on a Gmail account. First of all, you have to go to the web browser and then type gmail.com. Once you are there, there are two ways. The first method I will show now. Let's say we don't want Instagram emails anymore. We go to the email and then to the right you press on these three dots and they say more. Then you press on block Instagram and will give this tab and you press block. The second method is through the settings on top right. You press on settings and then you press on see all settings and then you press on filters and block addresses. You can see Instagram is blocked here. To add one, you press create a new filter and then the email, let's say this email, and then you press create filter. You can choose here to delete it, to skip the inbox, anything you want. Press create filter and any email from this will just be blocked. You can also make custom filters with the word or subject or two emails or any big mail. You just have to create a filter. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a nice day.